Hi, I'm Michael Coker, the Gwinnett accident lawyer, and today we're going to be talking about medical malpractice cases in Gwinnett County. Doctors do a lot of good every single day. They're constantly saving lives. They're constantly doing everything they can to protect us and our health. But sometimes mistakes happen, and sometimes those mistakes can be devastating. Whether an individual is given the wrong medication, or misdiagnosed, or other major concerns that occur, a medical malpractice case can be traumatic, but it also can be extremely difficult. Medical malpractice cases generally happen in two settings. One is in a private physician's office, and two is in a hospital. Those cases are handled very differently. For example, if malpractice happens in a private medical facility or a doctor's office, the case might be against the doctors or that practice. But if a death or serious injury happens in a hospital, you might be going against the hospital itself for the medical malpractice case. Now, hospitals have some of the highest powered lawyers in this city and in this state. You need a medical malpractice attorney that understands the complexity of these cases and how difficult they are to win, so that your evidence in your particular case can be preserved. Georgia's laws make it very difficult to bring a medical malpractice case. They're expensive, they're time-consuming, and they're very difficult to win. You need a medical malpractice attorney that understands the complexity of medical malpractice cases in order to adequately handle your claim. Most medical malpractice cases that our firm takes involve someone who died or someone who is suffering from permanent damage as a result of medical negligence. Medical malpractice cases, for example, require a doctor to be on your side, and often they need to give what's called an affidavit to show that negligence did occur. We have a network of doctors all across this state and all across the country that can provide us with that needed affidavit and the opinion as to whether or not the injury that occurred was caused by the negligence of a doctor or a hospital. Now, we know medical malpractice cases can be extremely traumatic for the family and difficult to talk about. But we have experience dealing in these cases, and we can give you an honest assessment as to whether or not your case is worth a review or worth the time to pursue. You need to call a medical malpractice attorney immediately to protect your case. Time is of the essence, and waiting, unfortunately, even a few months can affect the evidence or the ability to file the medical malpractice case. If you need an attorney who can help you with a medical malpractice case and the complexities that are associated with that, please feel free to give us a call.